Hi, I'm Grayson Evans, and I'm here to demonstrate a great new time-saving retrofit tool from BES Manufacturing. It's called the Wire Python. It's a powerful magnetic retriever tool that's designed to help you fish cable way faster than you could with ordinary retrofit tools. Now, the tool consists of two parts. This paddle magnet, which is used on the outside of walls or ceilings, and this wire pull leader with a magnetic head that attaches to the cable or pull cord you're trying to pull. Both contain super strength rare earth magnets that grab and hold through thick sheetrock and insulation. It also comes with a 10-foot length of ball chain for quick grabbing by the paddle magnet. I've been doing and teaching retrofit installation for decades, and I'm excited about using this tool. Let me show you just a few time-saver applications. One of the easiest applications is simply fishing a wire down a wall from the attic. In the attic, wire or pull cord is attached to the lead hook and dropped down the wall cavity. You need a 7/8" hole to pass the magnet. Move the paddle magnet over the wall to quickly locate and retrieve the lead hook magnet. You'll feel it grab. Then simply pull the magnet to the opening. It's as simple as that. You can use the same technique to fish a cable up from the basement or crawl space. Your buddy just pushes the magnet up through the bottom plate hole. You grab it and pull it right out. No trying to fish around inside with a hook until you find the wire. And don't worry, the paddle magnet has two rollers as well as a smooth plastic finish. This prevents the tool from marring the outer wall surface. At locations where you can only make a small opening, the retriever magnet can easily be passed through a small 1-inch hole. Now, you could do these tasks with traditional retrofit tools, but not nearly as quickly. And on the retrofit job, time is your money. The retriever magnet can also be attached directly to a fiberglass rod with a threaded end. Very handy when you need to guide the magnet through a hole in a cross brace or to some other tricky location. You can also use the supplied ball chain. It's especially good at getting down cross braces where the holes are not lined up. Wiggle the chain till it drops through. Then grab it with a paddle magnet and drag it to your opening. The ball chain's got 1,000,001 uses, like dropping it down a second-floor wall to a first-floor ceiling cavity, then grabbing it with a paddle magnet and dragging it open to a ceiling speaker opening. The Wire Python also makes quick work of fishing down or up insulated walls. Probably the easiest technique is to attach the leader magnet to a fiberglass rod. Then grab the magnet with the paddle and using short strokes, pull the magnet toward the opening. Simply attach the cable to either end of the rod and pull it back through. The idea is to use the paddle magnet to pull the wire leader against the sheetrock and out of the way of most of the insulation. Depending on how thick the insulation is, you may be able to just use the leader and magnet with the cable attached. The procedure is the same as before. To go up an insulated wall from below, you may be able to use a short length of ball chain attached to the end of a fiberglass rod. Have your buddy below push the rod up just past the height of the hole. Then simply work the paddle magnet around the area where the rod should be and it'll grab the chain. Then slowly work the chain over to the opening. Works great. Of course, you can also use the paddle magnet or leader magnet to retrieve lost tools dropped in wall cavities. It'll save you retrieval time as well as the cost of the replacement tool. If you use just a couple of these fishing techniques on your next job, it'll pay for the cost of the tool. To find out the nearest distributor where you can purchase a Wire Python, visit the BES website at the address shown below.